My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware called MajorSector. MajorSector is the adware type program that is the part of the adload family. We found this adware while researching all kinds of shady and deceptive websites. So we discovered this adware and found that it attacks Mac computers and Mac browsers, Safari, Google Chrome and Firefox, but mainly Safari is being attacked. In fact, now you can see that MajorSector extension is the part of the Safari browser. After analyzing this program, we found out that it operates as a typical adware. It may display a lot of ads not related to the sites that you visit. It may open new browser tabs periodically and may point you to many shady pages on the web. Keep in mind that clicking on advertisements generated by applications like MajorSector can open shady web pages or even download and install unwanted software. Clicking those ads can open various scam websites. It may also point you to the pages that promote adware, browser hijackers, and other infections. So we recommend you to go to the Safari extensions, disable or deactivate this extension and click on uninstall. You need to remove this application from the Finder and from the applications list by right-clicking on it and moving it to the trash. And you can now clearly see that this extension is now gone from Safari and from Mac. But we also recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program. It will first of all update its anti-malware database, then click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Certain features in Combo Cleaner are absolutely free. For instance, they are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So you need to wait until the scanning has been completed in order to see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scanning. The scanning duration, of course, might take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is, depending on the performance of your computer, and depending on how many hard drives are being scanned. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You may click on Review Results. You'll be able to know the exact location of these threats, and we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.